Let's take a look at the LearnPad and the PARCC assessment. This is a great way to take the standardized assessment, and the first thing you have to do is you need to create a learning object. So by going into the management portal, you add learning object, and you're going to type in the name for the learning object, and then you're going to go ahead and type in the information for the URL. Make sure that you direct it to the URL and that you whitelist the rest of the website so that you're able to go to other pages as needed. Then we add the learning objects into the content pack. You create a content pack, and then you just simply drag the learning objects into that interface. If you'd like, you can actually place them in sequential order so the students are taking the proper test in the correct order. You can do that if you would like. We take that content pack and we add that into a lesson. Notice that I've got one content pack in this lesson, so it's the only thing the students are able to do. Now we could deploy that onto the LearnPad by simply drawing a circle onto the interface of the LearnPad and scanning the QR key for the lesson. That pulls up the lesson, downloads it, now places it on the LearnPad for testing purposes. One of the things that I can do is I can go ahead and plug in an external keyboard or mouse to make sure that I'm able to use a single protected lesson and have the students have all of the accessories that they would need. I'm now going to be able to go ahead and click on the ParccAssessment Assessment Content Pack. I can select my learning object. That's all that's available to me, and now I can go through and take the exam. I can take the exam whether it be simple multiple choice, or I can even switch over to, let's say, a writing prompt question, where I'm able to use a full-size keyboard, clicking in the area and typing directly with the external keyboard. So as you can see, both types of questions are acceptable with the LearnPad. You can do multiple choice, you can do drag and drop, you can do the external keyboard for typing, you can even use the internal keyboard for typing as well. But the idea is that no matter what the PARCC test question is, we meet the requirements, so it's very easy for you to be able to stay in compliance with a great piece of hardware, purpose-built for education and purpose-built for your assessment needs. As we take a look at the total expectations of the PARCC assessment, you can see that the LearnPad meets in every single category. Thank you very much.